underneath the bumper, you'll see a couple of these push clips. You want to pop those out. Now you can pull this bumper cover away just a little bit, which is perfect. Now this part is going to be impossible to see for both me and you, but what you want to do is slide an 11mm wrench, and on this side of this reflector there's going to be a stud that pokes through. You want to put the wrench on the nut that holds that stud, and there won't be a lot of room, but you want to unthread it. Oh, there we go. The nut came off. You can pull out your old reflector. Now take your brand new one, line it up, press it through the hole here, and this part is a little tricky because you have to line up the nut with the stud hole. So what I want to do is bring up my wrench with my nut already on it. I see that it lines up right there. I'm going to hold my wrench, put the reflector in, and start tightening. As I'm putting pressure on the wrench, that way the nut can bite into the plastic and start threading on. This is definitely not easy because there's no room, but once it catches on, just go ahead and thread it on all the way, and it'll basically suck this reflector in until it's bottomed out. Okay, that's nice and snug. That means the reflector is completely seated. Let's put these two push clips back now. Line up the holes, put the push clip in, and lock it. Awesome.